Safety, sustainability, superior comfort. India's mobility landscape is rapidly transforming, racing towards sustainability by adopting technological innovation. Hitachi is partnering with the Government of India to accelerate this transformation through social innovation business. As a leading worldwide supplier and technological contributor in the automotive and mobility industry, Hitachi Astemo in India is bringing together its global expertise in case technologies to modernize and strengthen the industry.
With motor vehicles in India expected to almost double to over 200 million by 2030, the automotive sector is under immense pressure to develop safe and environmentally sustainable auto components to reduce its carbon footprint. Hitachi Astemo is meeting this growing demand by providing the technologies and an exhaustive product portfolio that not only enhances the driving experience but also promotes vehicle and driver safety while paving the way for eco-friendly vehicles.
Our advanced driver assistance systems and chassis systems are designed to provide maximum safety and security, while our connected car solutions aim to build an Internet of Vehicles platform for the evolution of future mobility systems. Our clean engine management systems with improved thermal efficiencies and electric powertrain systems with high environmental sustainability and driving performance are supporting the automotive sector in drastically reducing carbon emissions for a greener future. Through innovation in green and digital technologies, Hitachi Astemo is committed towards shaping the future of mobility, developing sustainable future, and driving India's economic growth engine.